Hello everybody, I have a tune-up report for you today on a 29LXBT. This is for Rick in New Mexico. He asked me to put an RFX-75 on the back of there and give it a tune-up for him. This is what we got over here, Rick. We got 10, 20, 30 watts across the bottom, right here. Right there at 15. We have a 100 watt slug over here, so we're reading peak power on the bottom, 60, and there's 80 mark.
Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check. 1 2 3 4.
All right, we're good.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
I just need one. Just one radio check.